coming through with a little neon Diablo 5-inch canister shell action by none other than Black Cat Fireworks. Get a nice fiberglass tube. Got the Diablo dude on it. Look pretty cool in my rack. First up, we've got cyan blue and red glitter with crackle. Now what's really cool, folks, is the fact that they've got this color coded. Each one goes to the back here. So this one is talking about blue, so the can is blue. Then we go to purple to green. So then this is going to be a green can. Then we've got pink and cyan blue. So you get a pink can. Lemon and purple, cyan blue. So you get a lemon can. Purple chrysanthemum. Last but not least, red to white glitter, cyan blue to white glitter. So we'll see if these effects are correct. Kind of neat, instead of just being written on there. These are color coded, and we'll see if this is going to be the small percentage that are actually accurate. These are expected to be loud, big burst, glitters, crackle, color plus, extra large 5-inch canister shell with 6 neon colors and unique effects. With no further ado, let's get right into it.